has a length of 2x, another cube has a length of 6x. How many cubes with length of 2x can fit into the cube with sides of 6x? So here's 2x, here's 2x, and here's 2x. And over here I have 6x, 6x, and I have 6x. Alright, and it's saying how many of these guys can I fit in there? If you thought 3, I'm going to say you're wrong. It's not going to be as easy as just doing 6 divided by 2. Well, let me take an example up here real quick. See this right here? See this? This is a 2-dimensional square. Let's say the area of this square is 4. And let me take this square right here. And now let's say that this area is 16. Right, again, this is 2-dimensional. But now my question to you is how many of these can I fit in there? And most likely you probably said 16 divided by 4, which will give you 4. So 4 of these, right? 4 of these, one here, one here, one here. So when you're dealing with 2-dimensional fit things, you're going to find the area and then you're going to divide it to figure out how many of one you can fit in the other. When you're dealing with 3D things, such as a volume of a cube, a cylinder, and things like that, you have to figure out the volume and then divide it. So let's figure out the volume here. Let's just pretend as if x is 1. So the x is really irrelevant. 2x times 2x, 2x. You can leave the x in there or you can just get rid of the x. Let's leave the x in there to figure it out first. 2x times 2x will be 4x squared. And 4x squared times 2x will be 8x cubed. This is the volume. And volume of a cube is just side cubed. Or you can look at it as volume equals length times width times height. So I just did 2x times 2x times 2x. Right, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And x times x times x is x cubed, and that's how I got that. So similarly over here, it will be 6 times 6 times 6, which will be 6 times 6 is 36. And 36 times 6, 36 times 6 will be 216. So this will be 216x cubed, because x times x times x is x cubed. So now I can do 216x cubed divided by 8x cubed. So that x cubed and that x cubed cancel each other out. And then 216 divided by 8 is 27. So I can fit 27 of these guys in this big one. So again, if you're dealing with 3-dimensional figures, you want to figure out the volume and then divide it to figure out how many of one thing you can put in another.